Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you have an admin account and the password. This lets you run recovery tasks. Once done, save open files and plug into power to avoid interruptions. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and select Recovery. That entry point exposes Restart Now for advanced startup, plus Reset This PC options. Make sure your network is available if you need to download recovery files. This avoids delays when you proceed to advanced tools. After clicking Restart Now, your PC reboots into a blue menu where you choose Troubleshoot. From Troubleshoot, pick Advanced Options. This central menu holds System Restore, Startup Repair, and UEFI firmware access. If you need Safe Mode, go to Startup Settings. If you need deeper fixes, open Command Prompt. Use Startup Repair for boot problems and System Restore to roll back to a prior restore point. Make choices based on symptoms. Startup Repair fixes boot failures. Restore fix. Now decide. Reset This PC reinstalls Windows and lets you keep or remove files, which is the cleanest fix. System Restore rolls back system files without affecting personal data. Follow on-screen prompts and confirm choices. Make sure backups exist before you remove everything. If the process stalls, boot to safe mode from startup settings and retry, or apply a system image from advanced options. Troubleshooting tip. If recovery media won't boot, disable fast startup in firmware, and try a USB recovery drive instead.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.